Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GCash as a payment method in the Play Store. You will need a verified GCash account with an available balance. It will also require an updated Google Play Store app on your phone. You need a Gmail account signed in on the device. A stable internet connection for a smooth setup is also needed. To add GCash, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Here, select Payment Methods, then choose Add GCash. Log in with your GCash account and confirm authorization. Make sure your GCash wallet has funds before making purchases. Some apps or services may not accept GCash as payment. Refunds may take longer to process compared to cards. Always secure your GCash app with PIN or biometrics. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.